Good day everyone, you are welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to take you through the introduction to Rockworks interface. Rockworks is a powerful geological software suite developed by the Rockworks Incorporated and is widely used for borehole data management, subsurface modeling, and visualization in geology, hydrology, mining, and environmental studies. So today I want to take you through the interface of Rockworks 2022. So let's get started. And this is the interface of Rockworks 2022. And here is the title bar. This title bar is located, as you can see, on top of the Rockworks window, and it displays the name of the software and the versions you are using. So it also shows the current module in use, and this helps user to quickly identify the working environment and confirm that the correct project is open. And here you can see some menu. Where is the menu bar where you can access some of the functionality through the menu here. And more importantly, let me show you some other tabs that are very essential. For example, here is the summary. This summary tab is used to display summary of the project dimension and coordinate system. So for example, here you can see the coordinate system of the project, and of course you can also see the project dimension as well. Then here is dimension. If I click on dimension, the dimension tab is used to specify the XYZ extent of current project. So you can specify the dimension of your current project. And here we have the coordinates. This displays the coordinates of your current project. For example, the current coordinate system is UTM coordinate, and you can see it's UTM zone 13. Then this tab is units. The units specify the output unit. For example, the volume, you can specify the output of volume. Likewise, the mass, you can specify the units, and also the area, you can specify the output units of area calculations. Then we have the image tab. The image tab essentially is used to select an image that will be used as the background for maps and drop over 3D services. Then we have this tab called notes. This is used to document miscellaneous notes relating to the current projects. So going back to the summary, then here we have the project manager. The project manager, also called project tree, organizes all project related data. It displays databases such as the borehole locations, the lithology, stratigraphy, water level, and geophysical logs. This section allows user to easily manage, edit, navigate between different datasets within a project. And here is the borehole manager. You can see the borehole manager here. Then you can see the data sheet. Here you see your data sheet, and here you can see faults, you can see playlist, you can see video. Then you can see execution history, all processes that has been executed. So here it will also show you the memory status, as you can see here. And more importantly, the borehole manager is the central component of Rockworks because it allows users to manage borehole related information, including lithology, stratigraphy, wells, aquifer, and geophysical logs. From this interface, user can generate borehole logs, fence diagram, cross-section, and 3D model. Then we have the help section. This help section is where you can get help and tutorial that can guide you. For example, if I click on help, you can see tutorials here where you can get some tutorial to help you navigate through this software. So in case you are opening the software for the first time, you can go to the tutorial section to study some tutorial to guide you. And also you can see a download section where you can download data sets that you can use for practicing. And in case you need support, you can make contacts to get support from here. So in conclusion, the Rockworks interface is thoughtfully designed to support complex geological and hydrogeological analysis while remaining user-friendly. So in the subsequent video, we'll be using this software to run some analysis, especially modeling. So this is just introduction to the interface of Rockworks 2022. Thank you for watching.